Hey everyone, good morning. So in this worksheet, we will be focusing on what are whole numbers. If you remember in the last worksheets, whatever you have done, we have focused on what are integers. We have seen what are addition, what is subtraction of integers, how to do it. And in this worksheet, we will see how to do whole numbers, what are the properties of whole numbers and how to do it. Okay. So first of all, what is a whole number is something that you should know and you should remember. A whole number is a number which includes all the integers which are positive as well as negative integer and also zero. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 100 any minus 1, 2 minus 3 minus 4, all these numbers and also zero, all these numbers are called whole numbers. In the first thing what you have to do is, if you add 8 plus 9 you get 17, right? That is a whole number. You have to write in this column which is a whole number. Now what I have told you the definition ki any number plus 1 minus 2 minus 5 0, all these are plus numbers. So you have to do the operations, have to write whether it is a whole number or not. Then you have to complete this. Are the whole numbers closed under subtraction? You have to see, if you subtract, will you get whole numbers? If you divide, always will you get whole numbers? That also you have to see. Here there is something called commutativity. This is a new word, commutative. I will explain. It's a very easy term. You don't have to worry so much. It's a very simple term. Okay, what is commutative? If you see the first sum, they have given 4 plus 3 is 7. And if I do ulta 3 plus 4, पहला अगर मैं 4 plus 3 करता हूँ, दूसरा 3 plus 4 करता, answer is same. So even if I reverse, the answer doesn't changes. This is called commutative. Okay. Even if I reverse the order, 4 plus 3 as well as 3 plus 4, the answer is same. This is called commutative. Okay, so you have to complete this and you have to remember addition and multiplication are commutative for whole numbers. Commutative matlab, even if I change the order, it doesn't make any difference. Subtraction, now let me explain something called subtraction. Subtraction is not commutative. Matlab 4 minus 3 and 3 minus 4 is different. उनका आंसर अलग आएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई डू 4 minus 3, the answer will be 1, but 3 minus 4, the answer will be minus 1. It is not the same, so they are not commutative. Always remember this. So first property was commutative, second property is associative. We will see what is associative. Okay, so if you see here, 3 plus 4 plus 5, yeah, is, if I add first 3 plus 4, yeah, and here 3 plus 4 is 7 and 7 plus 5 is 12, right? Again, now if I add first 4 plus 5 and then I add to 3, then also the answer is same. मतलब अगर तीन नंबर है 1 2 3, अगर मैं पहले ये दोनों को ऐड करूं और फिर इसको ऐड करूं तो भी तो एक आंसर आएगा. एंड इफ आई ऐड फर्स्ट 2 and 3 and then मैं 1 ऐड करूं तो भी आंसर सेम आएगा. सो द ऑर्डर ऑफ एडिशन डजंट make any difference. This is called associative property. कि अगर तीन चीज होंगे तो उनका ऑर्डर से कोई फर्क नहीं गिरेगा. When you solve this, you will be more clear. Okay. Then there is something called distributive. जैसे एडिशन में ये प्रॉपर्टी को associative बोलते हैं, वैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव में समझो 2 into 3 plus 5. So first if I add, ठीक है, and then multiply तो भी चलेगा. और if I separate this 2 into 3 plus 2 into 5 तो भी ये आंसर इज डिफरेंट. सी ये भी आंसर आएगा 16. आंसर विल बी सेम. दिस इज कॉल्ड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव. दीज आर ऑल प्रॉपर्टीज. ओके, द एसोसिएटिव, कम्यूटेटिव, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव. Then there is something called as identity. What is an identity for addition and what is an identity for multiplication? आइडेंटिटी मतलब अगर ऐसा नंबर जिससे मैं ऐड करूँ या मल्टीप्लाई करूँ तो भी आंसर सेम आएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल 8 plus 0, the answer will again be 8. तो मैं 8 से स्टार्ट किया, उसमें 0 ऐड किया, 8. 6 plus 0, answer will be 6. 16 plus 0, answer will be 16. So 0 से अगर मैं कोई भी नंबर को ऐड करता हूँ तो मुझे सेम नंबर मिलता है. Hence 0 is called an identity of addition. Always remember this. 0 is called an identity of addition. Similarly, here there is a mistake. Okay, these are not plus signs. These are multiplication signs. Please be careful. These are all multiplication signs. So if I multiply 8 into 8, 8 into 1, 8, 6 into 1, 6, 1 into 16, 16, 1 into 27, 27. So 1 is the identity for multiplication. Just as 0 is an identity for addition, 1 is an identity for multiplication. You have to remember all this. If you remember it, जब TFI के baseline assessment when they come, all these properties are there, commutative, associative, distributive, and ये 10th में भी आएंगे, okay? Now you have to multiply these numbers, you have to add these numbers. This is very simple exercise, so I will not go in detail about it. This is something that you can also do. All these properties are something that won't come, मतलब ऐसे नहीं कोई पूछेगा कि ओ ये सम है कम्यूटेटिव है कि नहीं. You should just remember, मतलब MCQs में आ सकते हैं which property is used, commutative or distributive. Again यहाँ पे there is multiplication and simple addition and multiplication, but यहाँ पे remember use BODMAS rule. If you remember what is BODMAS, BODMAS is sorry, I have lost this habit of writing with this pen. So this is how operation is done. This is bracket, open, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. अगर सम रहेगा जिसमें सब है तो पहले आप क्या करोगे, पहले ब्रैकेट ओपन करोगे, उसके बाद डिवीजन करोगे, उसके बाद मल्टीप्लिकेशन, उसके बाद एडिशन और लास्ट में सब्ट्रैक्शन. यू कांट डू फर्स्ट सब्ट्रैक्शन एंड देन मल्टीप्लिकेशन. जैसे ये सम में देयर इज एडिशन आल्सो, देयर इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन आल्सो, बट मल्टीप्लिकेशन पहले आता है. सो यू विल फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लाई एंड देन ऐड. पहले जितने भी मल्टीप्लिकेशन है वो सब कर लो और फिर उसको ऐड करना. ठीक है, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस. दिस इज अ वेरी सिंपल वर्कशीट. यू विल फिनिश इट क्वाइट सून. थैंक यू. विल एक्सप्लोर मोर इन द next worksheet.